Hello and welcome to a short video from Cambridge Car Audio. This is a Mk6 Golf that we've been working on today, so I'd just like to show you the installation that we've carried out. So what we've installed here is quite a large sub there, and then you've also got the amp mounted in there, all neatly tucked away and as much as possible out the way, so still allowing for quite a bit of boot room there. We've also installed this radio head unit, and that's the amp and that's also the head unit. This vehicle has been vacuumed as well as washed, like all our installations that leave our premises. We're also with a happy customer. So in here you've also got the Pioneer radio. So this really is more of a Pioneer system, audio system that we've installed. This system also retains your factory controls there, and also gives you Bluetooth streaming functionality, as well as, if opted for, a reversing camera. So you can also play your USB, and then through in here you also have your USB port to charge your phone. For anything like this that you'd like installed, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30, or just search for cambridgecar.audio. Thank you very much for watching.